You meditate. There cannot be transformation without meditation. The hearing and hearing again. The hearing and hearing again. I have taught you in this house that there are two levels of hearing. There is hearing that brings awareness, and there is hearing that brings conviction. You need both. You can have the hearing that brings awareness and not grow. But the hearing that brings conviction, that thought is now embedded in your subconscious. It's gotten to a realm where it must act out its physical reality. It is true. And the key is repetition. Faith comes by hearing. There are materials, as I've listened to without exaggeration, for thousands of times, hundreds of hours put together, one material. The purpose was not knowledge. The purpose was to transport it into my spirit. And when it resides within there, no wonder the psalmist said, I have hidden your word in my heart. You literally can carry your heart as a soil and bury something within. Program yourself to victory. Are we together now? Transformation. Look at me. Many of you here are still victims of culture. You are still victims of the pain of yesterday. You are still victim of the mindset of yesteryears. Even though you are in Christ, God cannot trust you with greatness and victory. The reason being that your mind is not yet transformed. You cannot become a leader thinking like yesterday. You will punish the people God brings to you. Are we together? I have taught you that there are many of you, because of the mentality you have, you are easily angry. It's not that you are an angry person. There is a mindset, a software that is cancerous, eating up your mind. If you are not healed from it, God cannot bring people to you. You will hurt and wound the people. I have told you it is only those who are healed that can heal others. Wounded people wound other people. When you become a father with a poisonous mindset, a mother with a poisonous mindset, a principal, a director with a poisonous mindset, a pastor with a poisonous mindset, it is the reason why all leaders, as a matter of urgency, must contend for transformation that exalts you beyond the negative grip of culture, beyond the negative grip of your past, the negative grip of failure, the negative grip of your small-minded association. You rise to a point where you think like the eagles, where you think like lions, where you think like a winner, you think like a champion. Let this mind be in you, which was also in Christ Jesus. Who is understanding this? So when you see that you're not transformed, by the way, how do you know you are not transformed? The quality of your decisions, the kind of results and testimonies that recycle around your life are a report card as to your mindset, a report card as to your belief system. Let me tell you this. Every level of possibility in the spirit and in life requires a certain kind of mindset. Oh, I want to be a millionaire. There is a mindset if you don't have, you cannot prosper God's way. I want to be a man of God over thousands of people, leading them. There is a mindset, not just a heart desire, a mindset. I want to be Esther. Esther is a mindset, not just a woman. Are we together now? Ruth, Deborah is a mindset. Paul is a mindset. Gideon is a mindset. Abraham is a mindset. You must have the mindset. I taught you here that the mindset to rise up and walk is what produces the miracle of rising up to walk. You will never have the miracle of rising up to walk till you first have the mindset of rising up to walk. What do I see in my mind? A glorious koinonia. What do I see in my mind? An ever-growing, ever-increasing ministry with vibrant people serving the purposes of God. What do I see in my mind? That the arsenals of darkness, the gates of hell, the conspiracies of men and demonic assaults cannot stand. What do I see? Victory. What do I see? Greatness. What do I see? Success. What do I see? Our children rising to become greater than us. This is what I see. He said, what seest thou? I see the rod of an almond tree. He said, thou hast seen correctly, for I will hasten my word that you have seen to perform it. There are things I will never see. I refuse to see failure. It's a choice. I refuse to see weakness. I refuse to see defeat. Are we together now? Yes. Don't bring yesterday's photo to me. I don't want to see it. I look forward only. Are we together now? Yesterday had its chance when it was my today and tomorrow. Now that is my yesterday is gone for good. God did not give me eyes at the back. I will not create one. I look forward and I go forward. Is someone learning now? Mindset. If someone looks at me now and says, Apostle, you are stupid, I will even pray about it. Because I have transited myself. Do stupid people serve God like this? No. Are we together now? Yes. So you have a mindset. There are battles you don't need to fight. Transformation takes you out of the ring so that you are not there waiting for needless battles. It's children that fight those kinds of battles. Listen, Koinonia, if you learn this, you will be at peace. There are many sicknesses that are mindset dependent. The reason why the sickness can plague you is because there is a thinking that partners with that disease. Are we together? Number 3.